Hello guys, there are lot of tutorials are available to install the Raspberry Pi OS, but believe me, this will be the easiest way. This is Bhupendra Singh and you're watching our YouTube channel SME Dehradun. So to start with Raspberry Pi, you need a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus or any new upgraded version like 4 or 4B Plus. You also need a 16 or 32 GB micro SD card in which you have to install Raspberry Pi OS. Go to the video description and click on the link to download the Raspbian Desktop OS boot image file. Download the Raspbian image file as per your Raspberry Pi. I prefer the topmost. Once downloaded, you will get the zip file. Extract it and you will get the image file. Note it guys, the name of the image file may different. If you don't have WinZip or WinRAR software to unzip it, then the link is available in the video description. Now take your micro SD card and insert it to the SD card reader. Attach it to your computer's USB port. I have built-in SD card reader in my laptop. Now you need to download SD card formatter software from the link given in the video description. Once downloaded, open it. Select here your SD card drive. After it, click to Format button. As you can see, SD card has been formatted successfully. Now download the Win32 Disk Imager software from the link that is available in the video description. Open the software. Select the boot image file from the location that we have just downloaded. Select it and click on the open. After it, click on the write button to write the image file into micro SD card. Confirm it as yes. It may take 2-3 minutes to write the boot file in SD card. Once done, you will prompt to write successful pop-up. Now click on the exit button. You will prompt to format this pop-up for your SD card, so cancel it. Now remove the SD card from the laptop and insert it to the Raspberry Pi SD card slot. This is HDMI to VGA converter. This is used to connect any external display with the Raspberry Pi. So I am connecting the VGA port to the TFT display VGA cable. Connect HDMI female connector side to HDMI port of the Raspberry Pi. Now connect minimum 5 volt 2 ampere adapter to the Raspberry Pi for power. Also connect USB keyboard and mouse to the Raspberry Pi so that you can operate the Raspberry Pi. Once you power on the Raspberry Pi and TFT, you will see that Raspberry Pi is booting up. You can see the welcome to Raspberry Pi desktop message at your first time. Now you can set up the Raspberry Pi setting. So choose your country as India. Language as English. And time zone as Kolkata. Click on Next button. Write the password for your Raspberry Pi. This password will be required while you trying to access your Raspberry Pi remotely. Click on Next button. Click to Next here. If you want to connect your Raspberry Pi to any Wi-Fi network, then wait here. It will display the list of available Wi-Fi. You can also do it later. So click on Skip. It will ask you for restart the Raspberry Pi so that it can apply your setting. So click on Restart. This is how you can install your Raspberry Pi OS to Raspberry Pi. You can also see the OS release information through LX terminal by this command. You can also see the version. And you can also update the Raspberry Pi version using sudo apt install rpi update command. So guys, this is how you can install the Raspbian Desktop OS in Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and videos. If you have any query, comment in the comment box.